Can you tell me your full name, please?
My name is MD Jiathasan Jibon. You can call me Jibon.
Do you like your name?
Yeah, of course. I like my name. My father gives me this name.
Well, where is your hometown?
Well, I'm from Nauga, which is the very famous for mango.
Do you think that your hometown is a good place to bring up children?
Of course, in my childhood, I spent there. I do lots of things. I study and I spent around 20 years in my hometowns. So I have lots of memory in my.
And where is the most famous educational institution in your hometown?
In my hometown, have lots of college and schools. But if you mention is most popular is degree college. It is located in Nauga Shodor.
How often do you usually visit your hometown?
Once or twice a month.
You are living in Dhaka at the moment. So do you miss your hometown?
Obviously, I miss my hometown because I came Dhaka for my study purpose, but in my heart, stay in my hometown.
Have you ever lived in a foreign country?
Yeah, I studied abroad in China. Recently, I completed my diploma from Rizhao Polytechnic Institute in Shandong, China.
And what was your technology?
My major was mechatronics.
And how many days did you stay in China?
Well, I complete 3 years diploma.
And do you have any plan to stay in a foreign country?
No, I haven't any plan to stay in foreign country, but I have a plan to continue my next educations in foreign. After completing my education, I return to Bangladesh and contribute to Bangladesh sector.
Have you ever donated your blood?
Yeah, after 3 months, I donate my blood. Around 20 days ago, I donate my blood.
Some people are really scared of donating their blood. So what's your opinion about donating the blood?
I think there have no scaring about it because it's not very painful, and also your blood after 3 months is destroyed. So I think it's the good things to donate your blood.
What's your blood group?
My blood group is B positive.
And what is the rare blood group in the world?
I think is the rare blood group is B negative.
Do you like shopping?
Yeah, obviously I love shopping.
Okay. Do you prefer shopping alone or with others?
I prefer shopping with my friends because when I went to shopping, I feel confused which one I buy. That time my friends prefer me to you choose this one is looking good, you can buy this ones. So that's why I love shopping with my friends.
And what is the most popular shopping mall in your locality?
In our locality have Gitanjali, Top Tens. My favorite shopping mall is Easy.
Easy.
Yeah.
Well, how often do you usually go shopping?
It's depend on my mood, and if I needed clothes, that time I went there.
And what's your opinion about Rahat's English Care?
Well, Rahat English Care is the good learning English center. Their teachers very easiest way, and their teacher very kind and polite, and also friendly. Mostly Saddam sir and also Rahat sir.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Jibon. This is the end of your speaking practice test. Wishing you a prosperous future ahead. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.